also make this. Okay, this is eyes.
The eyes is also very cute.
So cute eyes, right? It's so cute eyes. The eyes line this. It's really so cute. This is the
Sir,
yes, beta. Yes,
can you
beta.
show again?
Yes, it's simple. Make a circle. First, make a circle, and then after circle, you can create the big. This is a big. This is a big, long, big. Okay, understood, no? Okay.
Sir, I'm done one puppet. I'm done with one puppet.
Yeah.
20.
Now the big is just so the first character is done, and he's small baby. See, small baby is here. There's a baby white. The small baby white eyes. This is more cute.
Yes, sir, because it's a baby. Oh, it's
Yeah,
a girl. It's a girl.
it's a girl. It's a girl, right?
So cute with eyelashes. Huh?
So cute.
That puffin is a type of owl.
Type of owl, yeah, yeah. This is the lake. So those two characters are watching. This is mother, I child, I hope so. Okay. The interesting thing is that scenery. Scenery is that there are really amazing. Okay. So make the scenery amazing scenery is here. So this is land, okay, and in this land here is some stone like a not even stone, different stone like this. This is a very interesting. Okay, and that is make it.
Sir, can you show how to make the adult puppet?
This is,
Yes.
yeah, I can draw against on the father. Make a circle first, and then after that make a one straight line, and this line, eyes line and nose line. Okay, understood?
So do we have to draw that also?
No, you don't need to draw.
Yes, sir.
This is the house of this puppet. Yeah, this is the, it's like a This like a the cage. Just like a cage. Okay, so after circle, just make the now make the beak first. Make the beak. Okay, Mama, understood, Mama? Wow, this is good. Very nice. And make this. This is a father. Atika done watercolor, mom?
Yes, sir, almost done.
Good. No, no, no. Continue, continue, beta. For further something busy because some work, so don't worry. So make it small. Okay. This is some. Now you can create the here the grasses. This is all the grasses. Here you can make the small stone. Okay. In foreground, the foreground you can create the flower. So you can learning the scenery, right? To make this another stone on top of this. Okay. You can make this another tree over here. Okay. Like this. This is scenery. This is a tree basically. This is a tree. Some fruits or something else. Okay, like this.
So, are you going to color this?
You are going to not color this. It is a color for homework.
Okay, sir. Sir, I think I drew something like.
Yeah, this drawing is amazing. Yeah, I like it, Sratita.
Sir, I drew my own creation. This is the
Yeah.